Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up multiple charts on Thinkorswim. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and click on the Charts tab at the top. This is where all your charting magic happens. Next, you will want to find the small grid icon, usually located near the top right of your chart window. Clicking this icon is your gateway to customizing your chart layout. It's a simple first step to a more organized trading view. Once you click the grid icon, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various layout options. You can select a 2x2 grid for 4 charts, or perhaps a 3x1 for a different view. After choosing your grid, you can drag and drop individual charts into each section. To make things even more efficient, link your charts by color. This ensures that when you change a symbol in one chart, all linked charts update automatically, saving you valuable time. Now that your charts are arranged, it's time to customize them. You can adjust timeframes, add your favorite indicators, and apply drawing tools to each individual chart. Once you have your perfect setup, don't forget to save your layout. Look for the Save Grid as option, usually found near the grid icon. Give your layout a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find and load it whenever you need it, streamlining your workflow. To further enhance your multi-chart setup, experiment with different chart types, like comparing candlestick versus bar charts for various perspectives. Also, consider integrating active trader panels directly into your layout for quick order entry and management. This can significantly boost your trading efficiency. Before you go, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. For ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.